Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang i-congratulate ang may-ari ng channel na to, Tony Time Vlogs. Congratulations for your channel now monetized. Long overdue na tong monetization, but I am so happy na ngayon na finally na-achieve mo na. Congratulations and shout out from Talisay for you there sa Toledo. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to show your support to Tony Time Vlogs. Bye-bye!
Hello! Tony Time Vlogs! Congratulations because finally your channel is already monetized! Yay! Okay, so first I would like to say congratulations and then God bless and more power on your YouTube journey and more videos, more vlogs to enjoy with and to share with us. And God bless you more. And ayan po, enjoy lang what you're doing. And delight yourself to the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Always remember that. Psalms 37:4. Okie dokie. So this is Eva of Rock Eva's Live in Japan. Bye! Congratulations ulit. God bless.
Hello, Tony Time Vlogs. I would like to congratulate you for being a newly monetized channel and you deserve that. Sa wakas, nagbunga na rin ang iyong mga sacrifices sa iyong YouTube channel. Wish ko lang more subscribers pa and more videos, content, and deserve mo yan kung na-monetize ka ngayon. And again, congratulations and best wishes sa iyong next journey. Enjoy lang natin ang YT and see you around and stay connected. Again, congratulations.